Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hira is here, your computer science teacher. Welcome to the FSEX online sport program, and today is our third lecture of week 8 from the unit 1 fundamentals of computer. So before we start our lecture, we must recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the types of printer, impact printer and non-impact printer. As we discussed that impact printer use strike the paper and produce the print, but the non-impact printer does not print without striking the paper, and its print quality is more better than impact printer. Here is our today's lecture in which we discuss remaining output devices like plotter and speaker, etc. Plotter is used for printing engineering drawing, machine parts, building design, maps, etc. on the large size papers and sheet, because in the large scale printing it is not possible on the printer, and it is that's why the plotter is used to print the large scale printing, and it is more expensive than printer because its print quality is good as compared to the printer. And there are two types of plotters: ink plotter and pen plotter. Ink plotter is basically used for printing images, wherever the pen plotter is used for printing engineering drawings, maps, etc., machine parts, building design, etc. And output plotter is a slow output device, but its printing quality is good. And the next is speaker is output device, just like when we input audio to the system, audio or voice into the computer, we use a microphone, and similarly when computer produce the audio output, it use a speakers. Pair of speakers is attached to the sound card on the motherboard to play the audio sounds, and it is commonly used with multimedia software for playing music and video on the computer, like on the VLC or window media player. You can use with the sounds, and when you play the music or movies, etc., the sounds are produced through the speakers. Here is our lecture. Hope you understand it. And in this lecture we discuss about the two output devices, plotter and speaker. Assignment of this lecture is write a few lines about ink and pen plotters. Students, if you have any question or query, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.